Hello, Namaste. This is Vrishali, your spiritual healer, occultist, writer, and a psychic medium. Today I'm going to talk about meaning and importance of chakras. What is chakras? Chakras is nothing but wheels. This is its Sanskrit meaning, and these wheels of energy circles run across the body, and this is how our mind, body, spirit is aligned. Now, there are many chakras, but I'm going to be talking about the 7 prominent chakras. So, in yoga, meditation, Ayurveda, these energy circles, or rather the wheels of energy circles, which are running throughout our body, are meeting at different locations, and that's where these energy centers help work our different organs in harmony and in their optimum functionality. So let's first understand the root chakra, which is the first chakra. First chakra is called as root chakra, and it is also called as Mooladhara chakra. First chakra is located at the base of the spine. It is represented by the color red. Its element is earth, and the meaning of this chakra is everything that you do for your survival and the foundational energy of your life. If this chakra is imbalanced, that's where you feel left out or imbalanced about the foundations of your life. Okay. Now, the Bija mantra for this chakra is Lam. If you want to balance this chakra, then definitely you need to follow the remedies of this chakra, which I will be explaining in my next video. Okay. And this chakra is what it calls out to say that I am, which is my existence. So everything that you do for your survival is represented by this chakra. So I hope this was clear. Right? Now we move to our next chakra. So this next chakra is sacral chakra or Swadhisthana. This chakra is located just below the belly and above your root chakra. This chakra represents your sensuality, your sexuality, and your intimacy. The color of this chakra is orange and the element is water. The Bij mantra for this chakra is Vam, and the meaning of this chakra is how you feel things, how you sense things, right? So this is all to do with your energy to smell and to sense. So if this chakra is imbalanced, then definitely you get into the reverse side of this chakra, the imbalance and impurities. As you follow my videos, you will come to understand how this chakra can be balanced and how the energy needs to be healed, because this is also one of the very most important chakras. And if you understand how to convert your sacral energy into highly spiritual energy, then you start vibrating at higher level of vibration and consciousness. Okay, so this is all about the sacral chakra. Now let's talk about the solar plexus or the Manipura chakra. Manipura chakra is located around your belly region. This chakra is represented by yellow color. The element for this chakra is fire. The meaning of this chakra is everything that you do with courage to fight your daily obstacles and even the obstacles of your life. So this is all to do with your control and willpower. The Bij mantra for this chakra is Ram, and how you represent this or the meaning of this chakra is you say I do or I can do. So the reverse of this chakra, when it gets imbalanced, then definitely you have problems to complete even the simplest tasks of your daily life. Okay, or it may even experience you to go to the extreme sides of these chakras by not able to do anything in life. So balancing this chakra is very important. So let's talk about the next chakra and my most favorite chakra, the heart chakra. The heart chakra is located around your heart region. It is represented by color green. The element of this chakra is air, and the importance and meaning of this chakra is that it rules all your relationships, your emotions, your feelings, the unconditional love, and the self love. It's all about your relations and how you enjoy the beauty of relationship. When this chakra is imbalanced, then definitely you experience failed relationships. The Bija mantra for this chakra is Yam, and how you represent this chakra is saying I love. Okay, so this is how this chakra represents, and I hope you have liked this information. And in my next videos I will teach you how to clear the imbalances and impurities of your heart chakra. So keep in touch with us. Now I'll move to the next chakra, which is the throat chakra. So the throat chakra is located around our throat region. It is represented by color blue. It rules all types of communications, whether listening, whether speaking or writing. So when this chakra is balanced, you are able to communicate efficiently. And when this chakra is imbalanced, then you feel the reverse results of this chakra, that you are not able to speak or even listen peacefully to others what they have to say. The element of this chakra is ether, and the Bija mantra for this chakra is Ha. And the meaning representation of this chakra is I speak. Okay, so I hope the information about this chakra is also clear. Now we move to our next chakra is the Broach chakra, and it's also called as Agnya chakra. This chakra is located just between your eyebrows. The element for this chakra is light. So this chakra meaning is all about your knowing, your understanding, your intuition, and your sensing things even before they are actually happening. So this is all about your inner guidance. Okay, you are connected to the physiological environment around you. When this chakra is imbalanced, you are not able to connect to the realities around you, and that's how you receive the deception from other people or situations. So the Bij mantra for this chakra is Okay, and the color is indigo, and how you represent this chakra is you say I see. So this is all about the Broach chakra. And now we will be moving to the last chakra, which is our seventh chakra, called the crown chakra. So the next chakra we have is the crown chakra. So crown chakra location is just above the head. It's out of the body. Okay, so this is not located on your body, but this is out of the body, above your head region. This chakra color representation is violet color, and this is one of my most favorite chakra. I can talk on and on about this chakra because I feel so that I have a lot of information about it. This chakra is all about your wisdom, your knowledge, your connection with the divine spirit, with the divine intelligence, your higher consciousness, your connection with your higher self, your angels, your guardian angels, and the spirit world and the higher realms. So this is one of the very, very, very important chakras, because this is how your existence on this planet is correlated to your spiritual existence. Okay, this is all to do about knowing your karma. This is all to know about how you're going to live your life, your lifespan on earth. Okay, so the element of this chakra is thought. It's all about the vibrations you are into and your thought process, because this is very, very important. So when you are out of tune of this chakra, many people suffer from mental health issues, or mind which is not stable, not able to control your thought process, overthinking, negative thinking. So there are a lot of ill effects of these chakras, and I will also be discussing the remedies, how to balance this chakra, because this chakra cannot be balanced by eating something or drinking something. There are different ways how you can balance these chakras. Okay, the Bija mantra for this chakra is Om. Okay, and what does this chakra meaning or represent? It says is I know. So this is all about your knowing. So I hope this information was very, very helpful, simple, easy to understand. If you've liked this, please do share it with your friends and family, and this will be a good gesture because you are sharing knowledge, and I believe in sharing knowledge. So thank you so much for watching. Namaste.